Okay, it's a nice day out today. I'm just running out to my composter and throw some stuff in the composter. And then I'm going to go out to the garage and I'll show you a thing my husband bought for his ATV. It's like a case and a carrier all in one. There's the composter. I start to throw ashes in here because everybody told me to throw ashes in it. I gotta put some more ground in. Whew. That's my cherry tree. No cherries yet, but when they start to bloom, I'll show you guys. Now we'll go in the garage and I'll show you. He bought carrier, but he had to assemble it himself. Ooh, there it is on the back of his ATV. Took him a little while to put it on, but he got it on there now. It was on sale at Canadian Tire. Oh, you got all these stuff in there. Bungees and stuff. He got that one bought for his side-by-side, but where it goes to in the back, he'd have to pull a lot of stuff off and so much misery. He had to pull the side to side, like half it apart to put it in there. So we'll have to use it for something else. Right now, he bought this. Yeah. Well, you got that big container back there right now for holding stuff. Like if we go for a ride somewhere, we can just put all our stuff in there. That's one of these bike helmets. Our helmets for this, I don't know where to. They're in here somewhere. Oh, okay. And my bike is over there. She's uncovered. That's the recycling you see on top. I gotta run soon with that. But look at our garage. Lots more room. My dad's side-by-side is with him. And my hubby's brother-in-law come and picked up his quad. So lots of room in the garage to move around now. It's actually a really nice day to have a barbecue. But I already got dinner cooked. And we have to go to work this evening. But our next day off we'll have a barbecue. And the weather is finally starting to get nicer. Me and my hubby, we're soon going to be getting holidays. We're going to try to take 2 weeks. And I'm going to have lots of fishing videos for you guys. Because fishing season opens up around the 2nd, 3rd week of May. So I'm going to have lots of videos for you guys.